Hi folks, St. Paul's team here with my latest plant. I just got finished with it. I call it my Jensen 2525G, and it is of course a twin 25 engine setup with a generator over there and a windmill on the right side. It weighs 10 pounds 11 ounces, and the plinth is 18.5 by 16 inch 3/4 inch furniture grade oak plywood. Let's start over on the left. You can see we have a Jensen 15 generator, brand new. I removed the 3-inch axle, replaced it with a 4-inch axle, and now it can also act as a transmission. And it has roller ball bearings in both of the mounts now, so it's permanently lubricated and really does an efficient job putting those bearings in there. And it also acts as a transmission. Here we're coming up to the companion 25 that runs it. And as you can see, it's got roller ball bearings. Well, you may not be able to see it. It's got roller ball bearings in the mount as well, and sealed roller ball bearings. It has its own copper-colored governor cap with brass governor balls, and they're painted with very high temperature paint, same as the boiler right there. It should last forever. And as you can see, we have matching set of pulleys. The engine driving the one on the Jensen 15. That one belt is good for all the ratios. You don't need to change the size of the belt or anything. It runs up and down the ratios. I also added an on-off switch for this, which it just keeps you from unscrewing the light bulb when you want to use the transmission or the generator as a transmission. It comes in handy, and it's kind of a neat gadget and switch, and I like gadget and switches. Alright, as you can see, it's got its own control. And this is Jensen Plant 1. Now we have Jensen Plant 2 here. Let's talk a little bit about the boiler first. This is probably the greatest improvement over the last one. This is a Jensen 3-inch immersion rod boiler. It's brand new. It's the second firing of it, and it is a beast of a boiler. Plenty powerful enough for what it's doing here. I also installed a lug in under this chimney. I pull it off, but I can't do it with one hand. And of course we have our whistle. And we also have a pressure gauge that I make to fit into place where the banjo screw was. And this is 0 to 30 psi or 0 to 2 bar. And I've got my juice reducer turned down to about 80 or 85 volts, and you can see we're still way up on the pressure. This engine is just loping along. We'll run it here in a minute. And over to plant 2, again, roller ball bearings and the bearing mounts. And governor balls over here, brass ones, governor cap painted to match the boiler as well. And I take a lot of time and effort to make these engines run as efficiently and as good as they can. And they do. And now we're at the Jensen replica windmill. Jensen had a flyer for these in the early 90s, but it doesn't seem like they ever produced them. But I used that information and made my own. You see, we got the red tipped fan blade. The fin on the back is professionally laser acrylic imprinted. And those are, you can feel the raising on the lettering. It's got a little raised to them. And it's on both sides. Very durable. And also the water pump here, the non-functioning water pump, is oak to match the oak base. And it has roller ball bearings in it as well, and can also act as a transmission. Right out of that triangle on the back, run something else off of this. And we have a nice metal tag. It says Jensen steam engines and accessories. Let's see, it says steam engine power plants, generators, and accessories. And then some more writing below it. Okay. So now let's put it through its paces a little bit. Back over here to the generator. I like the sound, it's just loping along. Let's open that up a little bit. And flip the switch. We have light. Very free, very smooth. The windmill takes almost nothing to power it. As you can see, I had to make 2 risers for each engine. Raise it up to the level of the 3-inch boiler now. And those risers are sealed top and bottom, side to side. And even after I got them in place, I sealed around the edges of them with some more urethane just to seal them in. Don't want any water getting in there. And I have Teflon gaskets in the boiler. That's about it, folks. I hope you enjoyed it. And St. Paul Steen saying, have a nice day.